Egg Drop Project by Pin. Base design. For the base, I've decided to do a pyramid shape. I think it's a sturdy structure because it supports the shape of an egg tightly. If the egg is loose, then it will bounce because of inertia, since it's going down and then suddenly stops. I put the egg vertical because if the impact comes from bottom to top, it's harder to crack, like how we crack an egg the opposite way. However, there was a key element that was missing, because if I drop this, it's guaranteed that it will break. The bottom of the structure is exposed to the force. Toothpick legs. I added onto the edges of the pyramid, extending more toothpicks to all four corners. My idea of these legs is that when it hopefully hits the ground right side up, the force of the momentum will travel up through my structure, and since none of these toothpicks are pointed directly at my egg, the force will not impact the egg, and because momentum is never lost, some toothpicks will probably break under the force, but my egg will be safe. Air resistance. When you drop a bowling ball and feathers from the same height, it's pretty obvious that the bowling ball hits the ground first. This is because feathers have more surface area because of the vane and gets more air resistance. Air resistance helps slow down velocity. Its force is the opposite direction of gravity. Now, if you take away the element of air by using a vacuum, the feather's air resistance no longer works. Both items hit the ground at the same time. So that brings us to the last part of my design. I added these additional toothpicks to give my design more surface area. This will increase air resistance, therefore slowing down velocity and creating less impact than necessary. Now it's time to assemble my plan.